Yo, turn it on.
All right, YouTube, we back. This ugly dude right there. But I know it's been a minute. It really, it's not gonna be that long for y'all because it's just gonna jump cut. But I don't know where I left.
It really took time to record.
Yeah, we just been trying to get it knocked out because the car's been on his lift for a while, and you know I've been kind of taking up his time, you know, with his other.
No, he's been lollygagging. I'm not gonna lie to you.
Anyways, yeah, so we got the car together. Just put oil and coolant in. We just doing the GFB and everything. I just was trying to update y'all real quick, but we about to roll the car out now. This video is lit. It's time.
Why tell us? Cause
we big single.
He lost his key.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that. So I'm a dummy for this, but bruh, so the day I dropped this car off here, I left the part that you unlock the door with and you can open the trunk with.
Key fob. Just a key fob.
No, I'm saying I left that here. Yeah, I left that here, but I took the key fob. I have no idea where my key fob is. And that was the one I got coded to this cast and this DME for my old setup, so that way I can retain all my tunes and all that for XHP and all that. But so now I have to pay again. I have to pay like 150 to get a new key fob and get it coded to this car, bro. So it's just like, it's been like a lot of little bits and pieces and stuff like that. But when you're doing this type of build and whatnot, you're gonna run into little kinks and little, you know, hiccups in the road with this. So I mean, that's expected. I'm not gonna let anything, you know, knock me down or you know, discourage me or whatnot. You know, I came this far, so we're gonna continue. So yeah, we about to bring the car out and everything. I'm about to stop talking. I do that a lot. But look at this. Can we just admire this right now? Like, can y'all believe this? I'm still in disbelief, and I've been around this motor and this turbo like for the last week, and it still hasn't hit me yet. Probably really still not gonna hit me until I drive it. But yeah, I'm supposed to be getting a tune from Doc Boo. The car's only gonna be on pump gas. I'm gonna dial it in on pump gas because when you try to dial in stuff, the 85 immediately. Yeah, I see how that went. But yeah, I learned my lesson. We about to just dial it in on pump gas. I can't go stage 3 low pressure. I can't go stage 3 fuel system with this car because everything's on back order. Hop switch is on back order. I can get the bracket and the Y pipe
for like a month.
Yeah, everything is on back order. So you know, I don't like waiting on anything. I like to buy my stuff. So like, I don't like paying for it and then waiting a long time. So, but yeah, we about to take this car out and everything and get just the GFB and all that.
The inside.
Mm-hmm.
We got no window on this door.
Yeah, so we about to do that. So let's get to it. All right, so we about to put this thing down right now. Damn, I forgot how low this car is.
No, it locked up.
What that mean?
Means more weight was in the front than in the rear.
So I gotta put it back up?
Get the jack.
Where's that?
Oh shit, it's back there. It's back there.
Oh, okay. That's probably from you rocking it back and forth.
Uh-oh. We put the edge on.
Oh, yeah.
You gotta carry it. Don't carry it by the stick. Don't carry it by the stick. That shit comes out, bro.
I know it does.
I saw you carrying it by the stick. I was like, oh, hell no.
Please don't scratch my beautiful car. Yeah. You're gonna have to go back up a little bit.
Go back up. I gotta get some wood.
Right there?
Is it enough to get a wood? A little bit more.
Yeah, so now we about to take the car off the lift and whatnot. I gotta order some more, what's the name, brackets like on this one right here. See how I got a brand new repair kit for the headlights. I need to order that for that side. You need, it was one block. Dang, I just seen that. Oh, it's the one right there.
That's too big.
Why is it too big?
Huh? They gotta drive off with that shit on there.
Oh, it can't go backwards either. Dang. So I'm gonna hit y'all when we find this block.
Close the bag.
What you trying to say, bro? I'm fat?
What's over there?
What you mean?
Was there something under the... It's going down. Can you check the under the lift over there?
There's nothing under there.
Alright. So maybe it was when I was rocking it.
Damn.
Is this thing in park?
Oh, shit. Oh, my God, bruh. Nah. Remember I put the whistle name on?
Wait, you did put that steering shit back right?
What steering stuff?
Not the steering.
You talking about on the
transmission thing on the bottom?
The pin, the thing that...
Did you lock it all the way in park?
Like push it forward? Nah. So it's in neutral.
You can't. If you tighten it like that, that thing's not right.
What you mean?
That thing's not right.
Bro, let's just check it. Hold on.
You take the blocks off.
You ready?
Go.
Hold on. I'm trying to record all this. Yeah. Do it again?
Yeah, go ahead.
Hey, dickhead. Pay attention.
Why you got the booster noise connected?
Do it again. You need one.
GFB's not even on yet. Alright. We're gonna start it now.
Wait, on the other tune? At least let me flash it, bro.
Go ahead, flash it.
But the battery dead.
That sucks. Well, girl, you got my jumper cables. How long is that flash gonna take? 2 minutes or 30?
Nah, 2. I got the wireless thing.
Alright, go.
You about to hook it back up?
Hey, check that. It's hooked up.
How am I gonna start it without the GFB, bro?
Nigga, just start it. It's on wastegate. It doesn't matter. You're not fucking racing it.
Hey, get off the MHD.
I'm not on it, dickhead.
Turn your Wi-Fi off, cause it's not popping up.
I'm not
Oh,
on it, dickhead.
never mind. It's right there. Watch your mouth, bro.
Stupid ass kid.
But yeah, so right now I'm about to flash the car. Gotta save the tune. GFB on my phone. MHD custom tunes. That's where I want to save it. GFB 93 octane, March 17th. All right, so we're gonna go back here. Go into MHD. Bro, this car is gonna be loud. It's open downpipe right now.
Is it flashing?
I'm about to do it right now. Damn, I gotta log in.
Is that motor good?
It's flashing right now.
Yeah. Where'd it come from?
And we tuned by Doc Vu still, single. Just on 93, trying to dial it in. Hey, what about, I should do the, what's the name, that cycle the coolant, right? To get the air bubbles out the system.
Just turn it on. It'll do that on its own. I just want to hear it run.
Bro, let me cycle it.
Let it run.
Ball bearing and
Is it done?
Yeah.
All right, go ahead.
Isn't it ball bearing and
Hold on, let me get my phone out.
Journal.
It'll run without the GFB hooked up?
Yes.
The journal ones are cheap though. They're like $500-$600.
Yeah. The ball bearings are like 1,000, 1,500. Yo, turn on.
Damn, son. But it's gonna be loud when the when the wastegates open up. I gotta drive it down there and put the exhaust on. Nah.
Hey, stop it! Stop it, turn off.
Bro, chill, bro. That's your dumb ass. It's burning off. You a dickhead, bro. But yeah, it's on. It's gonna smoke a little bit. Yeah, it's normal. Bro, he a dickhead, bro. Damn. I told you it wasn't gonna misfire. I had bought new spark plugs before that motor went. Sound like it's misfiring.
You gotta wait till it rides. That's making a misfire.
Yeah.
Like I haven't enjoyed mine, that's misfires all the time.
There's plugs and clothes were sitting on the range for a week.
But they were new when I got them.
My shit misfires too, man.
It sound good though.
Out of here, man. Alright, bro.
Oh, what about the Pro Tool thing? What I gotta do? You got it right now?
I don't got Pro.
I got it. I have it.
We'll show you. I know how to do it.
Okay. It says coolant pump, low power.
Huh? The coolant went down. You're good, just add coolant. Bro, you're the super dickhead. Hey, they want that another bottle with, on this box.
Hey, it said fuel low pressure sensor.
Did you plug it in?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah. Look good. All right. When we leave that off. You think you nice?
I am right.
That's low, remember?
That's why it's making that noise. Damn. Why is it milky?
Turn it all the way. Pull it up all the way.
I know, right? Oh, hey. It's gonna need some more. You turn the wheel? Turn it all the way to the right and then all the way to the left. Bro, you making me nervous, bro. Stop revving it. Bro, get him out the car.
You laid it out?
Bruh, turn it off. Turn it off.
You got a filter in there?
No, I need to change it.
How about that cheap ass filter?
What you mean?
That's good. That's a clam, huh?
Yeah. What's that noise?
Wait till it cools down.
Oh, it's that vacuum, the T.
Yeah, wait till it cools down. There's a lot of oil in there.
Yeah, it's hot.
Yeah, let it settle.
Damn, son.
That shit sound good. Yeah.
Wait till I put the exhaust on there.
Wait till you bleed it out.
So wait till I put the exhaust on there.
Did y'all bleed it out?
Not yet.
Yeah, the only
wanted
code
to
I
get it
got,
run.
was the check engine on?
No.
Damn, that dude did that key fast.
Yeah. He's
Yeah,
quick.
yeah, he don't play. Tell me where I found the key.
Well,
But it was the first one. So I had 2 other keys. I lost one of them, but the first one he first coded, it stopped working with the unlock and lock.
okay.
So I went in the glove compartment. Something was telling me, check the glove compartment. And it was in there. It still worked to start it and stuff, but not the...
You got a 5 now?
Yeah, he gave me another one. So I mean, I needed
You
it.
got 2 keys now, so
There you
we'll
go.
get one to your girl, keep one.
Why is it saying fuel low pressure sensor?
It's probably not in all the way. It's electric, yeah. That shit's popping up a lot too. Bro, tell me why Allstate canceled my my insurance out of nowhere.
What? You paid him?
Yeah.
Call him up.
I called them, they said they didn't want to give me a refund, so I disputed it with my bank.
Well, why they cancel you?
They said that the underwriting said that I had too many what's it called? Negative shit on there. Like I have 2 unlawful use of phones and then a wreck from last year.
Oh. Hear you?
I'm gonna see if I can go take a driving course. Get that shit off.
Damn, so it's ready.
Yeah. Let's go eat.
What y'all gonna eat?
I don't know. What you in the mood for?
You want to take my car?
No.
Hell no. Oh, we can't drive it because it's GFB.
The wastegate.
Oh, damn. So, all right, yeah. That's that, y'all. It started, it's running. So I'll catch y'all in the next video. I appreciate everybody for stopping by this video. Make sure if y'all haven't already, hit that like button, subscribe if you enjoyed this content. I'm gonna catch y'all guys later. And make sure if y'all have any questions or want to get any work done, make sure you hit up my guy from my guy Eric at Split Second Performance. He'll get your needs taken care of. Maybe have y'all running like me. But all right, y'all, I'm gonna catch y'all on another one.
Yeah, I'm outside in an AMG, right outside.